we're exploding more fireworks. So, because this one's gonna be good. So get ready. Get ready. Okay. Oh damn, it's my... Bro, it's burning, it's trying to burn the fence. Oh, that's absolute cinema, it's blue. So cool. Bro, it's fire, it's fire! It's fire! It's fire! There's fire! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Absolute cinema. De ya te iban a comer. Ay, my dad was about to burn to death. A las 11 comienza, son las 9:12. Guys, I think this is the fireworks, right? Yeah, good vibes, good vibes. Okay. Next one is gonna take 5 years to the wind. Enciéndelo con no hay viento, no hay viento. Oh damn, you gotta see this. My dad wanted me to record the big boys. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh damn. You gotta get a closer view. No. Oh. Oh! Inch. Oh damn! What is happening? Oh. It's gonna burn everything! Oh my god! Why did he do that? Why did he kick it? He just said, let me kick it. He was about to actually get sniped by it. Okay? Okay, ¿quieres que me busque? Not that bad one. That's kind of chill. Guys, look at the abomination. You can't see it, but I can. That's abomination. There's a cylinder block. You can't see it because it's nighttime, and this tablet can't record that much. So it sucks. Okay. Next one. Let's move back. I might just die if I get close to it. Okay. Yep. So the last one, guys. I think it is. Oh damn! You gotta get close to me. Oh, this smells like doo-doo now. The smoke. Oh my god! Oh, you guys are totally finished. Yeah, it's come back. You set me on the fire. Oh, it's come back. It's come back for more. It's come back for more. It's come back for more. Ah! It came back for more. Oh, it came back for even more. Yeah, you see those guys? It's awesome. What is that? Right there. Ah? Guys, that's the end of the video, so bye. Bye, guys. Somebody come in so we can say bye. Somebody come. So we can say bye. Somebody come on. Where are you? Somebody, where are you? Stephanie. Stephanie. Well, bye guys. Ajá. Grabé todos. Los últimos todos. You guys, so say bye.